In this video, we will learn how we subtract integers. So subtraction rules written over here. When the signs are same, change the sign of the number to be subtracted, add as per addition rule. Second rule is when signs are different, change the sign of the number to be subtracted, add as per addition rule. Now I will explain you exactly how we apply these rules. So when signs are same, as you can see in the case of example 1 and example 2, both are positive here and both are negative here. So in that particular case, first thing that it says is change the sign of the number to be subtracted. Change the sign means and if it is positive, make it negative, or if it is negative, change to positive. So I will change the sign. It is positive, so I will write negative here. I will write positive here. Now, this sign will be considered only for 3. Negative sign will be considered in the first case, and positive sign will be considered in the second case. Now it says, second step, add as per addition rule. So addition rule was when the two numbers are being added and the signs are different, now it is plus and minus. You give the sign of greater number, that is positive in this case because 7 is greater, and write the difference of 2. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Second example, minus and plus. So minus is greater, so give minus sign and difference of the two, that is 4. Next situation is when signs are different. In example 3 and 4, you can see we are using different signs, minus plus or plus. So the first step is we will change the sign, so plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus, and follow the addition rule. Addition rule says when signs are same, we give the same sign and add the numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. When signs are same, we give the same sign and add the numbers. So this is plus 10, this is minus 10. So when 3 is subtracted, positive 3 is subtracted from 7, we get 4. Negative 3 is subtracted from negative 7, we get negative 4. Positive 3 is subtracted from negative 7, we get negative 10. And negative 3 is subtracted from positive 7, we get 10. It may look a little weird or something, difficult to digest, but this is how it works. If needed, you can go through the video again and again to understand, and also note down these rules, as you will have to look for these rules initially again and again. Now here we have some practice questions, and the question is subtract. So minus 7 has to be subtracted from 7. That is the point you have noted. This sign here, especially put, it indicates subtract. And if it is not given, then they will write at the top, subtract. So minus 7 is to be subtracted from 7. Change the sign, follow the addition rule. Plus and plus, so plus and 7 plus 7, 14. That is your answer. Change the sign, negative becomes positive, and here it is positive, so positive and positive same sign, give the same sign, add the two numbers, 9. Change the sign, so now it is positive and negative. Signs are different, follow the addition rule, give the sign of greater number, positive. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. In a similar way, you will do these questions 4 to 8. This is horizontal subtraction. That means numbers are written horizontally. So 7 minus 3. So when you have two negative signs together, they will change to positive sign. Make it a rule. And when two different signs are together, they will become a negative sign. Just remember this rule and we will follow this rule only. 7 minus 3. So minus changes to plus. 7 plus 3 and answer is 10. 8 minus plus 5. So minus plus or plus minus becomes minus. So 8 minus 5. After solving, it gives you 3. 9 minus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 minus plus 5. Minus plus is minus. 16 minus 5, that gives you 11. 18 minus 5 is minus 18 plus 5, and if you follow the addition rule, that gives you negative 30, and this is your answer. I hope so far the explanations are clear to you. Now these are some practice questions for you. Please note down the questions and send me the solution. These are algebraic simplification. You can see here minus 3x minus 5x. So minus 3x minus is plus 5x. And you know how to add them. Give the sign of greater number and subtract. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. In a similar way, 4x minus 5x is 4x plus 5x, which finally gives you 9x. Now let us do this question, question 5. Minus 7x minus 5x plus 9x. We will write it as minus 7x minus, and 5x plus 9x is 14x, and now minus 7x plus minus 14x will be minus 21x. Why minus 21x? Because both are negative, so negative sign will be here, and you will add the two numbers. So 7 and 14 is 21, and x remain as it is. Hope all these explanations were clear. If you have any doubt, as I have always been asking, you write your doubt in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.